Hey guys, watch this full video to know how to use the Hostinger coupon code 2026 to get the best possible deal today. As you can see on my screen right now, the Hostinger discount is fully active, and I'm going to show you how to claim it step by step. First, click the link in the video description below. That link has the Hostinger promo code auto-applied, so you don't have to worry about missing out on the savings. Next, select the type of hosting you need, whether that's standard web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, or Hostinger VPS hosting. For this example, I'm selecting Hostinger web hosting. You can see right here that the discount automatically attached to the order. Now look through the available plans and pick the one that fits your budget and project requirements. Once you've picked your plan, click Choose Plan. That brings us to the order summary page. Here, you'll choose your billing cycle, 1, 12, 24, 48 months. I recommend the 48-month option because it gives you the absolute best value, plus it includes a Hostinger domain coupon code benefit for a free domain and 2 free mailboxes for an entire year. In the summary box, you'll notice a 20% referral discount applied automatically through my description link. Hit Continue, enter your email address, and set a secure password. From there, complete your payment on the next screen. You'll get a confirmation email immediately, and you're all set. That's how easy it is to claim the best Hostinger deal in just under 2 minutes. Enjoy your new hosting. Close quote.